Let us start with chapter number 3, matrices. In this chapter, we will learn about matrices. Let us see what is the definition of a matrix. First, definition is, a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. The number or functions are called the elements or the entries of the matrix. So a matrix is an ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. The numbers or functions are called the elements or the entries of the matrix. We denote matrices by capital letters. Following are some examples of matrices. So matrices are denoted by capital numbers, and here we have some examples of matrices. This is matrix A, this is matrix B, and this is matrix C. So here we can see that matrices, these are ordered rectangular array of numbers or functions. So inside the matrices we can have both the numbers and the functions. Cos x, sin of x plus 2, tan x, these are examples of functions. And minus 2, 5, 0, root 5, 3, 6, these are examples of numbers. In the above examples, the horizontal lines of elements are said to constitute rows of the matrix, and the vertical lines of elements are said to constitute columns of the matrix. So in these examples, the horizontal lines, these are the rows, and the vertical lines are the columns. So these are the columns of the matrix. Thus, matrix A has 3 rows and 2 columns. So B has 3 rows and 3 columns, while C has 2 rows and 3 columns. Matrix C has 2 rows and 3 columns. After studying about the meaning of a matrix, let us study about the order of a matrix. Here we will learn what is the meaning of order of a matrix. A matrix having m rows and n columns is called a matrix of order m into n, or simply m into n matrix, which is read as m by n matrix. So m by n matrix is a matrix with m rows and n columns. And this is read as m by n matrix. So referring to the examples of matrices, we have A as a 3 by 2 matrix. A is a 3 by 2 matrix. We can see that it has 3 rows and 2 columns. B is a 3 by 3 matrix. In B we have 3 rows and 3 columns. And C is a 2 by 3 matrix with 2 rows and 3 columns. We observe that A has 3 into 2, 6 elements. In B we have 3 into 3, 9 elements, and in C we have 2 into 3, 6 elements. Important point here is that number of elements in an m into n matrix will be equal to m into n. So the number of elements in an m into n matrix is mn. Few important points regarding matrices. We shall follow the notation, namely A is equal to aij m by n, to indicate that A is a matrix of order m by n. We shall consider only those matrices whose elements are real numbers or functions taking real values. So in our chapter we shall consider only those matrices whose elements are real numbers or functions which are taking real values. Let us do our example. Consider the following information regarding the number of men and women workers in 3 factories 1, 2 and 3. So here we have some information regarding the number of men and women workers in 3 factories. There are 3 factories here, and this is the information regarding the number of men workers and women workers. In the factory 1 there are 30 men workers and 25 women workers. In factory 2 we have 25 and 31. In factory 3 we have 27 and 26. Represent the above information in the form of a 3 by 2 matrix. What does the entry in the 3rd row and the 2nd column represent? So what we have to do in the question is, we have to represent the above information in the form of a 3 by 2 matrix, and also we have to tell what does the entry in the 3rd row and the 2nd column represent. So let us solve this question first. The information is represented in the form of a 3 by 2 matrix as follows. So here we are representing the information in the form of a 3 by 2 matrix, and the entries of the matrix are 30, 25, 25, 31, 27, 26. Also asked in the question is, what does the entry in the third row and the second column represent? So the entry in the third row and the second column, which is 26, represents the number of women workers in the third factory. So 26 is the number of women workers in the third factory.